If I asked you a simple question, when was the last time you felt real happiness? Not distraction, not temporary excitement, real, deep, quiet happiness. The kind that doesn't need validation, the kind that stays. Most people can't answer that question, and that's not because they've never been happy. It's because somewhere along the way, life stopped being about feeling and became about coping. You stopped chasing joy and started managing stress. You stopped living and started surviving. It doesn't happen all at once. It's subtle. You get busy, you get responsibilities, you start worrying more than you dream. And slowly, your days become routines, your routines become habits, and your habits become your identity. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep. Repeat. And somehow, you call that a life. The most dangerous part isn't the stress, it's the numbness. Because when you're numb, you don't even realize what you've lost. You laugh, but it's shallow. You smile, but it's automatic. You exist, but you're not really there. Happiness didn't disappear. You just stopped creating space for it. Because happiness requires presence, and presence is the one thing most people avoid. So maybe the real question isn't, when was the last time you felt happy? Maybe it's, when did you stop allowing yourself to feel anything at all? If you've been living on autopilot, this is your wake-up call. You don't need a new life, you need awareness. Subscribe if you're ready to feel again.